What applies here? A. The crossroads may be crossed. B. You must wait for further signals from the police officer before the crossroads may be entered. C. Turning off is prohibited. The correct answer is A. The police officer is directing traffic with their arm pointing sideways to your direction of travel. This signal is the equivalent of a green light, meaning you are permitted to proceed straight or turn. Traffic coming from the front and back of the officer must wait. Which conduct is right? A. I may turn observing the traffic signs. B. I may only turn when the lights show green. C. The green car must wait. The correct answers are A and C. You may turn observing the traffic signs because the traffic light is out of order, so the priority signs apply. The sign indicates you have the right of way over the green car. Therefore, the green car must wait. How should you behave in this situation? A. Pass through the crossing without stopping. B. Stop on the line of sight. C. Stop on the stop line. The correct answer is A. The green traffic light overrides the stop sign. Since the light is green, you are permitted to pass through the crossing without stopping, provided the intersection is clear. Where must you wait? A. At the point where you can see along the intersecting road, sideline. B. Level with the traffic lights. C. At the stop line. The correct answer is C. You must wait at the stop line. The stop sign and the presence of a stop line on the road mean you must come to a complete stop directly at this line, not at the line of sight. You must only then proceed carefully if the way is clear. What is correct in this situation? A. Traffic continuing ahead may proceed. B. Traffic turning left may proceed. C. Traffic turning right may proceed. The correct answer is C. The traffic light is showing a red light for straight ahead and left turning traffic. Only the green arrow for turning right is illuminated, which means traffic turning right may proceed. What is correct in this situation? A. I have to wait in the center of the junction. B. I may turn unimpeded. C. I must allow the oncoming traffic to pass through. The correct answer is B. You may turn unimpeded because the green left turn arrow is illuminated. This arrow indicates that your turn is protected, and no oncoming traffic has a green light or is permitted to cross your path. You now want to turn right at these traffic lights with a green arrow sign. What is the right course of action? A. I ensure that other road users are not impeded. B. Without stopping, I take the turn at walking speed. C. I initially halt at the stop line. The correct answers are A and C. When a green arrow sign is lit next to a red light, it permits a right turn, but only after you have initially halted at the stop line. You have taken the right lane by mistake, although you want to turn left. How are you allowed to proceed? A. Straight ahead. B. To the right. C. To the left when the traffic lights are green. The correct answers are A and B. You must not change lanes at the last minute because you are in the wrong lane. Therefore, you are only allowed to proceed straight ahead or to the right, as indicated by the arrows in your lane. You must not turn left from this lane. What is the right course of action? A. I have to allow the cyclist to pass through. B. I have to allow the motorcyclist to pass through. C. I may make the turn before the cyclist. The correct answers are A and B. When turning left, you must yield to any oncoming traffic and any road users who are continuing straight across the junction. Therefore, you have to allow both the cyclist and the motorcyclist to pass through before completing your turn. What is the right course of action? A. I have to allow the cyclist to turn. B. I may be the first to pass through the junction. C. I have to allow the red truck to turn. The correct answer is B. You may proceed first because you are driving straight ahead. Both the red truck and the cyclist are turning left and must yield to you.